Hello everyone, welcome back to another week of weekly US indices forecast for the second week of June. Now let us look at the S&P 500. Okay, the previous high has not been breached yet but is coming close. 50 SMA line has been proven to be a good support level. So for the next week, we can see that the price will possibly break through the previous high, and then hopefully it retraces back a bit and then continue going up. The MACD is showing a bullish trend forming. The stochastic is still no bearish divergence yet, but we have to watch out for the upcoming weeks. RSI is still good, so for next week I would say long position will be good, and the trend is still bullish. Next we'll look at the Nasdaq 100. Again in the range trading zone. Price has been sticking around the SMA 50, so hopefully that you will climb back up to the previous high during April session. So the upcoming weeks, I can see that the price is still is going bullish. Stochastic is no bearish divergence. MACD is showing bullish trend. RSI no divergence also, so it's good for long position. For the New York Composite, very nice uptrend. The previous high has been broken. This is a very big buy volume, so I would say that the price will still be going up in the upcoming week. MACD is showing very good uptrend. No bearish divergence yet. So no bearish divergence for the RSI too. So overall the trend will be going up for New York Composite. For Nasdaq Composite, within the zone, the SMA 50 has been proven to be a good support. So in the upcoming weeks, I would expect the price to reach the previous high in April. So I'll take a long position. MACD is showing a good, strong bullish trend. However, I am seeing a divergence within the stochastic, so the price may be stagnant a bit here and then going back up again. No divergence in RSI, so it's good for a long position next week. For Dow Jones, the previous high has not been reached again. Very small candle here, so the trend is still upwards, but very slow movement. Very good buying volume here, but price did not reach higher, so there could be accumulation of buy position or short position within here, so we have to watch out. No divergence yet in the RSI and the full stochastic. MACD still not showing a clear trend, so within next week I expect the price to continue moving very slowly upwards until it touches the previous high. For Dow Jones Transportation, previous high not reached. I think it's going to trade in a zone, maybe reaching the SMA 50 within the upcoming week. The trend is bearish for shown by MACD. Bullish divergence in the stochastic and bullish divergence in RSI. So I would say that the Dow Jones is In the accumulation zone, watch out for the volume. If there's a big volume followed by a big bullish candle, so I'll say that a lot of money is going to long position. So maybe I'll accumulate some or a few long position within this zone going up, price targeting the previous high. Lastly, for gold, a new trend going up, but we are not sure whether it is long term or short term. The SMA 200 will be tested within this week and next week. This candle is proven it wants to reach below it, but another bullish candle means that there's a very strong volume order for buying within this zone. So I'll expect the price to test again within this area before going back up to our target of previous high. But MACD is showing a bearish signal. Overbought is stochastic, but not much. Overbought in RSI, but not much. We could slowly see some bullish divergence forming. So by next week, I'll hope to accumulate some long position if the price continue to go downward, and touching the SMA 200 line. The target price will be the high around 1960. So that's it for this week. Again, thank you everyone for listening. Goodbye and stay safe.